Bueno, y nuestro próximo invitado es Andy Felhr. Good afternoon and welcome.
Thank you.
You are plant manager of Uni-Fab, the USA's manufacturing marketplace.
Yes.
You visited BIEMH yesterday, where you had your first working day with us. What is your impression of what you have seen in the pavilions and from your interviews with companies?
I'm amazed at the technology and the new innovation of the machines and robotics, and just the new technology every year is amazing to me.
Mm-hmm. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did, very much.
Yes. And is this your first visit to Bilbao Exhibition Center?
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm. You find it a great,
Yes,
big?
the experience so far has been great in Bilbao, and it's just it's an amazing city, what I've seen so far.
Mm-hmm. The complexity of today's manufacturing marketplace is unquestionable. What does your company offer to meet these challenges?
Our company in the past started off in the automotive industry and then transitioned into oil and gas. And more recently, we've gotten into aerospace and the medical field just to broaden our capabilities and the marketplace, and has been very, very sustainable for us to this point.
And what kind of machinery or solutions are you looking for here in the Vienna?
We are interested in CNC machining centers and metal cutting and forming machines. Mm-hmm. It helps us in the manufacturing to cut material and machine parts.
And do you think this biennial is a good place, a good chance to make an alliance?
Yes, I've seen a lot of great machines here, and we've been building some relationships over the last while, and so yes, it's been a very good experience.
Well, thank you so much for being with us, and have a good week.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.